Hi students, so today I'm going to teach you about the trigonometry, right? In an earlier video we learned the Pythagoras relation, right? In Pythagoras relation, that is based on the right angle triangles. So this trigonometry lesson is also going with right angle triangles, right? So in here children, if we take a right angle triangle, right? In Pythagoras relations, if we know two sides, that means if we know this as 4 centimeter, this as 3 centimeter, then we can find the third side, right? So to find the length of the sides of a particular right angle triangle, we need to know two sides. So after learning today's lesson, right, only knowing the angle of a only knowing one angle of a right angle triangle and one length of a side, then we can find the other side. Okay, so trigonometry children. So before going for this one, in trigonometry, right, we are naming the three sides of a right angle triangle, right? If we take a right angle triangle like this, right? This is the right angle, right? We all know the side in front of the right angle is the hypotenuse. Right? And if we are considering this angle, that means both the angles are acute angles. Let's consider this angle as theta, right? We are applying trigonometric ratios by considering this angle, right? If we consider this angle, right, this side we are naming as the adjacent side, right? If we consider this angle, this side, right, this particular side, we are naming as the opposite side. So trigonometric ratios is going with the combination of the length of this side, right? These sides, right? Okay, now let's learn about that, right? There are three types of trigonometric ratios, right? Now I will draw this right angle here, right? This is the right angle and this is the angle we're gonna consider, right? Let's name this as A, B and C, right? So AC is the hypotenuse. AC here is the hypotenuse and BC is the adjacent side. AB is the opposite side, right? Right? Okay. So I told you three ratios are there regarding with these sides, right? First one is the sine theta, right? Sine theta, we are considering this angle or theta. Sine theta is equal opposite side. That means length of the opposite side over hypotenuse, right? There's another one that is cos value, cos theta, right? That is adjacent side over hypotenuse. And there's another one, tangents. We are saying tan theta. Tan theta is equal opposite side over adjacent side. So these three are the trigonometric ratios: sine, cos, tan, right? Sine mean opposite side over hypotenuse, cos mean adjacent side over hypotenuse, tan mean opposite side over adjacent side. Okay. Now let's take one example how to find this. Okay, say children, there's a triangle, right? PQR, right? This one is PQ, sorry, this one is, let's make PQR, right? So this is the right angle, this is the angle we are considering, that is theta, right? This is 5 centimeter and this is 12 centimeter, right? Now two sides are given, right? Two sides are given. So according to the Pythagoras relation, directly you can find QR. You will obtain the side length, right? This side as 13 centimeter, right? 12 squared 144, 5 squared 25, 144 plus 25 169. So if you take the square root of 169, you will obtain 13. So QR length is 13 centimeter, right? So if we are applying sine value, sine theta, we are considering this side. So this is the adjacent side. PR is the opposite side. RQ is the hypotenuse. So sine theta is equal RP over hypotenuse, right? RP over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means RQ, right? And if you consider cos theta, right? Cos theta is equal PQ over RQ. That means adjacent side over hypotenuse, RQ. Now tan theta. Tan theta is equal opposite side. It is RP over adjacent side, that is PQ. Okay. So now children, let's apply the lengths, right? So RP over RQ. RP over RQ, it's 12 over 13. PQ over RQ, it's 5 over 13. And RP over RQ, it's 12 over 5, right? So you can take the decimal values by considering the decimal value and the sine and tan tables, right? Sine, cos and relevant tables are there, no? Right? Let's discuss about that in the next video, right? By considering that, you can find the angle theta, right? So I just want to have explain you how you should take the values of the sides, right? This is the way, right? Sine theta mean opposite side over hypotenuse. Cos mean adjacent side over hypotenuse. Tan means opposite side over adjacent side, right? Okay. Then children, I told you using this you can find this theta angle, right? So after finding like that, some basic angles we are normally using, mostly we are using angle 45, 30, right? So let's find cos tan values of those things. So we can make a table after finding like that, right? It's we can apply that for all the whatever the questions which it belongs, right? So according to that, we can draw a table like this, right? 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. Mostly we are using these values, right, to solve sums, right? And right, sine, cos, tan. Sine 30 is equal to half. Sine 45, it's 1 over root 2. 60 root 3 over 2. The opposite going for the cos, right? Cos 30 root 3 over 2. 45 1 over root 2, same, right? Cos 30 half, right? Tan 1 over root 3 for tan 30. Tan 45 1. right? Tan 60 root 3, right? So this table you should remember to solve questions, then it will be really easy for you, right? And the let's do one example substituting values like that. Okay, right? So that there's a triangle ABC, A B C. B it's 90 degree. This hypotenuse, it's the length of that is 10 centimeter and this angle is 30. So here we are gonna apply ratios including this angle, right? We are considering this angle, right? That means ACB angle, right? So they are saying to find the length of AB and the length of BC. First of all, let's apply sine ratio, right? So we are considering this angle. So sine 30 is equal opposite side here AB over AC, right? AB over AC. Sine 30 according to that table that I told you earlier, it's half. Sine 30 it's equal to half. AB we don't know, we have to find AC. It's given, it has 10 centimeter, right? Let's substitute at 10, right? So now you have to do the cross multiplication, then you can find AB. So AB is equal 5 centimeter, right? So now we have to find out BC. We know the hypotenuse, sine, hypotenuse opposite side, and then now we have to find the adjacent side. So you can apply cos 30 cos ratio, right? And you can apply tan also to find the length of BC. Let's apply cos 30. Cos 30 is equal BC over AC, right? So cos 30 is equal root 3 over 2. BC is we have to find AC, it's 10 centimeter. So you can do the cross multiplication. 2BC is equal 10 into root 3. BC is equal 5 root 3. Right? This is the length of BC. So this is the way of applying cos and sine values to solve sums. Okay. Now children, that's what you should learn, right? Okay, let's do the trigonometric tables in the next video. Okay, thank you.